Study of individual and society. Previous class we had been learned that society meaning, definition, origin, elements, nature, types, origin and elements we had been learned. Today I have to start with characteristics of society. First character, composed of people. The society made up of people. Every components of society created by people. Second, mutual awareness. People having mutually aware with each other. For example, in family, mutually aware with each other, as well as every system concerning others' welfare. Third one, reciprocal and interrelationship. Reciprocal means mutual relationship. Interrelation means interdependent. For example, in the family members, every family members depends on each other. Husband depends on wife, wife depends on husband, as well as the family depends on educational system depends on families, like this. Interdependent relationship. Fourth one has likeness and differ. Likeness means similarities. Differ means differences. Some components, for example, static components are similar. For example, family, religion, education, having similar, as well as having differences, different religion, different types of families, different mode of learning or educational systems, etc. Fifth one, differ in their personality. Personality means characters. This is mainly concerning psychological differences. Differences in personality, attitude, intelligence, faith, which is largely determined by social factors. Sixth one, have cooperation. Students, cooperation is a fundamental character of every society. The people work together to create peaceful society. Seventh one, interdependence. As we have discussed, mutual relationship. The every social systems or components of society depends on each other. Example, economic system depends upon educational system. All other systems, for example, political systems depends upon familial system or family, etc. Eighth one is dynamic. Dynamic means change, time to time, place to place, region to region. The characteristics of society have been changed. Ninth one, own ways, means of social control. Control the society by two important means, formal means and informal means. For example, tribal society, largely controlled by informal means. Urban society, largely managed or controlled by formal means of social control. 10th one, own distinct culture. Every society having unique culture. Culture means pattern of behavior, which is determined by material and non-material cultural factors. 11th one, controls individuals' talents and capacities. For example, family is a primary component, determine and control the talents on expressing the talents. Next, educational systems, institutions, then economic institutions have been controlled and shaped to display their capacities. 12th one, shape personality of individual. Personality means individual characters. Already we had been learned in psychology in first year. Determinants of personality. First determinant is the social factor. The familial factors, educational, economic, religious. So these all the social components influence personality of individuals. So these are the 12 characteristics of society. Next, types of society. Before I would like to ask questions, can you list few characteristics of society?
People have mutual awareness, have cooperation, independence,
Excellent.
dynamic, has its own way.
Excellent answer. Thank you, Jefflin.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Types of society: tribal, agrarian, industrial. Tribal means people living in deep jungle. For example, in our district, Kanyakumari district, tribal people in Pechiparai, Pechiparai dam, that jungle they are living. Agrarian people means same as rural. They are living in villages. Agrarian society. Industrial society, same as urban community, which means city. Detail about tribal society. Group of people, primitive, stage of development, common ancestor, Primitive means very old stage, Stone Age, Common ancestor means only one head, generation by generation known by a particular person. Traditionally. Look at this tribal people. Wear the dress different ways. For example, in Nilagiri district, one of the tribal societies there. They are wearing different types, differently, combing differently, and different language. Look at this tribal dances, folk dance. Can you see that tribal market? There is no formal ways. It's a market in tribal area. Then define tribal society. It is a group. There are many clan, nomadic, band, villages, subgroups which usually have definite geographical area. So keywords, clan, nomadic and villages, these are these tribal, these groups. The most important word is their definite geography, a particular area they define, they are living. Mainly they have been living in deep jungle. Then characters. Common territory, as we have discussed, a definite geographical area they have been living. Sense of unity, the tribal people having more unity than other society. The people cooperate with each other, mainly coordinate their work together. Third one, common language. Every tribal groups or society having different language. For example, in our district having Cornish, one tribal people group, society. The people speak in different language, not Tamil, not Malayalam, in between that. As well as in other districts, for example, in Nilagiri in Tamil Nadu, as well as in Kerala, in northern district mainly, in southeast India, the maximum of populations are tribe. In northeast India, they are having different languages. Then endogamous, they select their spouse within the group. Fifth one, blood relations. The every members of that society related with each other. The reason is that endogamous character, the marriage within the group, so they are brothers, sisters, step brothers, step sister living together, blood relations. Sixth one, own political organization. Political organization means they govern themselves, head of the tribe and subheads, and systematically they are organized to govern their own society. Then importance, seventh one, importance of religion. They have given more importance to religion, mainly believe the nature, sun, moon, rain, plant, animals. Then common name, every tribe having a particular name. Example, Karnis, Thodas, Padugar, etc., etc. Then structural features of tribal society. First, economic structure. Close to the physical environment. Physical means climate. They cultivate within the tribal society, mainly jungle. So, environmental friendly economic structure. Second one, social life, simple and integrated. They do not use costly materials. The modern technology is away from that tribal people. So the reason is that they are disconnected from other society due to they are living away from, excluded from other society. So they have been integrated and have been living there. Then tribal problems. First problem, geographical separation. They are separated from other society, excluded from, living in deep jungle. Separatism means they would not like to come back to normal society. Tribal people only like to living in tribal area. So that is a real issue, difficult to implement the problems, development programs. There is no road facilities and schools. So that is a problem. Second, cultural problem. So they having superstitious belief, as we have discussed, belief on nature, superstitious, mainly child marriage. Every day we had news that child marriage is always there in tribal area. Then infanticide, homicide, animal sacrifice, exchange of wives, black magic, harmful practices. For example, one of the remedies that if any child cry, the people believe that they having stomach pain. Treatment is that take a iron rod and heat the iron rod, band on the stomach. When you go, nowadays is reducing. When you go to tribal society, that we can see that maximum of children having injuries in the stomach. Reason is that that is a practice of healing. Harmful practices. Third one, economic problem. Maximum of people living under the poverty line. There is no modern technology, development. Only tribal economy is based on tribal, nowadays forestry, forest. So people living under the poverty line. Fourth one, educational problems. 80% illiterate. There is no school, we know that. Fifth one, health and sanitation. The maternal mortality is very, very high due to child marriages. as well as infant mortality. Sixth one, problem of separatism. So this is a real problem. The people would like to separate from other society. They would not like back to normal geographical areas. They only like to living in jungle and hills areas. Difficult to connect the road. There is no current, which means power, electricity. So that is a feeling of people, they feel about their own territory only in jungle. So which caused various separatism and they organize various, for example, Naxalism, etc. They fight against government. They want the development within that jungle. So which is difficult to provide by the government. So many of the district, for example, in North India, fight against a government for their rights within their territory. Seventh one, lack of infrastructure. As we have discussed, there is no school, no road facilities, there is no hospitals, there is no market. Mainly there is no housing facilities, unstandardized houses, primitive culture. So which caused to serious issues, mainly healthcare issues, etc. So these are the major problems faced by the tribal people. Then tribal development and welfare, we will be learn next class, okay? Sinu Mole.
Yes, sir.
Can you define tribal society? Important words only enough.
It is a group of
Yes, excellent answer by Zeno Mole. Thank you, Zeno Mole.
social group.
Yes, social group. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy the day.